actually uploading the video you're about to be watching in a second right now. It's not even close to being done. I had to bring it with because it was taking a long time. It's all that HD footage.
All that HD footage for your viewing pleasure. Dude, that's weird. That used to quick release and shit.
Yeah, like the...
Where you have to reach 1,000 miles for your fucking turn signal.
Sandpaper, because my headlights got really fucked up after that 3M tape was on there.
In this episode, you will see a how to restore headlights.
How to restore a headlight.
Foggy headlights.
But you know what? There may be a lot of videos out there on restoring the headlights.
This is our video.
But this is the JDM way. This is the EK hatch way. So you're gonna want to see this. You downshift really smooth.
I know. That's what happens when you start. Yeah. First car I ever drove was a 94 Corolla station wagon. That was a 5-speed. And that was the car that, well, learned how to fucking drive on.
Yeah.
I've been driving stick ever since.
Maybe we'll see Gramps today.
True. I've been driving stick.
What is it though?
So it's Corvette.
What year?
60.
60.
1960.
It's really nice.
Don't record me, please.
Now I'm recording the gangster right now.
And then I tried racing them again, and then my gear, dude, I had a gearbox fault code. It popped up. It was like gearbox fault. I was like, wow, fuck. And then I turned off the car on 20, and then I started back up, and it went away. But now my cruise control don't want to work.
GTA 5 player got the
What up? Nasty. Hey man, someone give me a massage though, dude. Come on, where's your man? My shit hurts.
So we didn't record the process, but this is the aftermath. We'll record the process on the left one.
And that's just the basic, just like.
And this is what it looked like before.
Oh really? It looks like a brand new headlight.
Yeah. Wow. I was not expecting that at all. So right now we're using 400 grit to start off with. Trying to get like the most corrosive stuff off right now, and then you're gonna wipe down the headlight and use a little bit finer grit after that. You see that hand motion? That's very important.
Straight lines.
So you went ahead and used finer grain.
800 grit.
You can pretty much explain it. So.
Well, first I started off with a 400, sanded it down with like, I wouldn't say really hard force, just enough to get it so it's smoothed out and cleared out for the rest of the. This just basically took the oxidized clear coat off of the headlight already, off the lens. And then I went back with the 400 grit and kind of just smoothed it out a little bit. And then when I was ready for that, when it was smooth with the 400 grit, I took an 800 grit, came back, smoothed it off really nice, sanded it for a while, smoothed it off nice, and then I came back and just gave it like a circular pattern all the way around, really softly, just to break all the rough surfaces down. So now the headlight, just cleaning it off with different rag and water, just to make sure that there's nothing left on it. And let it dry, and then I'm gonna take a dry rag, and then I'm gonna wipe it off with a dry rag after this, and then it should be ready to clear. Show you a picture of what it looks like when it's dry.
So this is what the headlight looks like dry. It's supposed to look kind of hazy. And then, we'll show you the difference. You're gonna be like, whoa, when you put the clear coat on. Because it looks like all hazy and dry.
Looks like you fucked it up more. That's exactly what it looks like. When it comes to the clear coat, you're gonna want to put a pretty light coat at first, just so it has the rest of the clear has something to grab onto.
I just got a comment from Skyrim's Drea. He said, "Bro, I saw you at Strats. You told me about your channel."
Well, shake well.
It's kind of like you're wiping it with a magic eraser.
And you let it sit for a little bit. And another thing is, when you look at it, it's gonna look like a little bubbled and kinda, but
It's like seeping into the cracks.
yeah, once the clear coat dries, it'll pretty much flatten itself out. As you can, well, that's not like the best looking headlight to look at, but yeah, because this one had some previous damage that I really had trouble getting out, so might have to redo it at some point, but
Yeah, it has adhesive on there. You still see it. What the fuck? Not a cop. Free candy.
I changed my number. Hold on.
Puppy inside.
Oh, I should have written free.
About to get lit up.
All nice.
This guy's about to get lit up. He just did a pool out in front of us at T-Bar. I'm telling you, the cop's gonna light him up in a second.
Light him up, pussy!
Light him up! I wanted to light him up.
Hey, let's go. We'll take my car. Don't pull in. Run. Are you live?
No.
Look at this
What are
guy.
you doing?
YouTube. You don't know how I started a YouTube page?
Oh.
YouTube. What up, YouTube? We out here smoking crack at T-Bell. Get it cracking, bitch. Keep your bitch on a leash, or I'ma snatch her.
I got.
Facts.
So I should have brought my bike. You
You see the
live?
rims?
Yeah.
You live? I'm live right now.
You didn't see the
The
finished
white came out.
product,
The white came out nice.
though. You didn't see the clear coated product? Nice finish. Decent as fuck. About to get hella bitches. Bitches gonna be soaking. Drip, drip. Water.
I was just, you're like, what the fuck is this thing saying?
Park on the curb.
I guess black people can jump.
Wow.
So easy to climb up. Wow!
Wow.
Wow!
I want to get up over that.
Hey, there's a Prius? Goddamn Mexicans climbing the wall. I heard it's a Prius, bro.
I heard that if we get in the truck,
This is the biggest, prettiest Prius I've ever seen!
I heard if we get in the truck. I wonder why you didn't call me. I was like.
You were supposed to call me? He hates me for some reason.
White or black?
Kicking us out.
Hey,
Kind of mixed, man.
What do you think I could get for a 2011 5-door WRX stock 66,000 or no 64,000?
What are you getting, like a 5 grand?
Not what to sell. Guy wanted to sell.
So you're selling on the street or what?
Yeah. It's a 5-door. It's a 5-door, like a graphite, you know, like hatchback, like a wagon. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
It's a wagon.
I'd say 12, 13.
That's it.
What year is it?
2011.
Oh, you can get way more.
15, 20.
I'd say 15.
15. I'll give you 20 bucks.
I guess we out. I don't know where we're going. So we're at the new spot.
What you say? Hey, I gotta go.
Talking shit.
You gotta say black brake.
How about that car?
We cheated death.
Yeah, she did.
Both of us, especially him.
Big trucks rolling in. I mean, the Genesis is about to run what? I hear Mexico is shit. Steven.
Lit. I got $3 on the black card. I got him.
You about to say Honda, you ain't even got.
I got the keys to my Honda, little dumbass. I haven't had shit like this in a while.
For real.
It's been a long time. Fire!
They're about to Mustang all your asses. I'm standing right here.
Come on, bro. Okay, who's redlining?
Come.
Stay on the road.
That thing's fucking nasty.
Glee!